Okay, YouTube, today's something a little bit different. Rather than garage and shop work, we're going to make the perfect egg medallion. For a bagel sandwich, a English muffin sandwich, an Egg McMuffin clone, if you will. And they're a lot better than the ones that you can get at McDonald's. Simple little silicone form, a little bit of peanut oil on the inside. Keep the egg from sticking. And we're going to put some peanut oil inside our cast iron skillet. And there we go with our ring. Wait for the pot to, or the skillet to get just hot enough that it starts boiling a drop of water. The object is to get the egg to solidify as we put it in so that it doesn't sneak out between the form and the pan. And we're probably good to go about right there. Let's get it a little hotter. Alright, now back it down. And we're going to dump in the egg. We've got the egg in. One of the things that make these really nice is garlic. Minced garlic and a little bit of ginger if you really want a nice taste. Not too much ginger, just a little bit of ginger. Alright, now that the egg is in there, it won't cook completely unless we help it out with a little steam. So you add a little water, cover, and we wait. What will happen is as the egg cooks and the garlic inside of the ginger or whatever you have in there starts to heat up enough, the egg will rise like a good souffle or a good quiche. And when the whole egg is starting to rise, then you know it's cooked completely through. About this time you can drop your English muffin or your bagel or your sandwich toast. And we'll let that cook. We just kind of stand here with twiddling our thumbs. So I could get the pepper ready. Dun, 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 dun. Add a little more water. Doesn't look like it's cooked completely in the middle yet. It's a pretty fast process. It's very tasty too. I eat a lot of these things. They are so good. Tomatoes, lettuce, avocado slices, anything else that you like on your egg sandwich. They are fantastic. Okay, as you can see, the egg is rising and fluffing very nicely. Go ahead and turn off the heat. We'll let the crackling decrease a little bit. We'll pull off our lid. We'll pull off the form. We'll add a little pepper. We'll put on a piece of cheese. Cover for about 20 seconds or so. Doesn't take much. Doesn't take much at all. And right about now, your toast should be popping up or being prepared or ready to go. And there you go. A perfectly sized egg medallion. Put it on anything you want. There you go. It's simple, it's easy, and with the garlic and ginger added, you'll never eat another Egg McMuffin from McDonald's again. Save the money. Send you and your family to the Bahamas rather than a bunch of executives out there playboying around. We'll talk to you later, YouTube. Bye.